we
true.
consume real estate content from the USA because maybe we have aspirations to own property that side and everything. So we follow property investors from that side.
And sometimes we read their books.
You read their books. Like in my case, you see Rich Dad Poor Dad. Not everything that's in Rich Dad Poor Dad is applicable in South Africa.
I saw that.
Yes.
Hence I told you in a speech. That's why I'm writing my book. I'm writing my book for South Africans.
Yeah.
Yes. So
Your target market is very important.
Yes, you need to know who you are writing to so that the content speaks to that target audience. Yes. So what that strategy is buy, borrow, die. So you buy an investment property, fine, you get a bond and everything, you service the bond year 1, year 2, year 3. And then in year 4, maybe there's equity, then you borrow from that equity, right? You pull out money. So you are taking out debt. You borrow against your property. You can go and purchase another property. You can go and pay off school fees. You can go and start another business with that equity. And the third step, do not sell that property. Just die. Let me cook.
Hey, I cook.
Let me cook.
We are yours.